Oh, Mr. Bennet, how can you be so tiresome? You know, he must marry another Phil.
With 5,000 a year, it would not matter if we had walks and didn't we?
Who's got what?
So lately, been wondering who will be there to take my place when I'm gone. You'll need love to light the shadows on your face. If a great wave shall fall and fall upon us all, then between the sand.
Your father said...
Your mother will never see you again if you do not marry Mr. Collins. I will never see you again if you do.
Bennet!
Forget it.
And at 15 too.
Through the darkest of your days, if a great wave shall fall and fall upon us all, well, then I hope there's someone out there who can bring me back to you. If I could, then I would. I'll go wherever you go, way up high or down low. I'll go wherever you go. Run away with my heart.
It's about our relationship. Would you expect me to rejoice in the inferiority of your circumstances?
And those are the words of a gentleman. From the first moment I met you, your arrogance and conceit, your selfish disdain for the feelings of others made me realize that you were the last man in the world I could ever be prevailed upon to marry.
My life and love might still go on in your heart, in your mind. I'll stay with you for all time. If I could, then I would. I'll go wherever you will go.
Withdrawal? No, not at all.
I'll go wherever you will go. If I could turn back time, I'll go wherever you will go. If I could make you mine.
Papa!
Is he amiable?
Who? Is he handsome? Who? Short man.